Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams. Now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's a 2013 Honda Civic LX, so let's take a peek. We have the chrome accents in the badging and the grille, and then under the hood there is the 1.8-liter engine. You do have the chrome badging again with the chrome accents. There is tons of space in the trunk, and underneath the floor you do have the spare tire. And you do have heated cloth seats. You've got tons of space in your center console here, as well as your glove box. You do have your auxiliary port down here that is protected with a little cover, as well as your 12-volt plug-in. More storage right here. You got your stereo, all of your climate controls, your cruise controls right here, your Bluetooth controls down here. You can turn your traction control off on this one. It does have power moving mirrors, and it is a manual transmission. There is tons of legroom, and there is a couple cup holders that just flip down. These vehicles on the lot do go through a full ambient inspection from our journeyman technician. If you're interested in pictures and pricing of this one, click the link below. If you're interested in any other vehicle on the lot, give us a call, 780